37 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just start with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 4 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times, as 3 is less than 4. So 0 times 4, 0 times 4, that gives you 0. Subtract 3. Bring down this digit 37. 4 goes into 37 how many times? Look, 9 times 36, 10 times 40. 40 is getter, so we need to consider 9 times 36. 9 times 4, 36. Subtract 1. So our answer is 09 means 9, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 12, which is greater, so 2 times. Write 2. 2 times 4, 8. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. 4 goes into 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. Your answer is 9.25.